Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Microprocessor and Microcontroller System Lab of Electrical Engineering Department of Bahria University, Karachi campus. I am Engineer Wajid Ali Khan and I will tell you about this lab. Students in Microprocessor lab learn how to use microprocessor and microcontroller. In this lab, students get the expertise on microcontroller programming and microcontroller interfacing with different electronic devices. Connectivity of microcontroller on Vero board is a major task which students practice in this lab. Students are also provided with programming and simulation softwares to check their task on softwares. Students have to make their program in programming software where they find the error in the programs, compile it and make it ready for hardware in all terms. It's a good platform that the students learn different languages for programming microcontroller and hardware connection with electronic devices. Programmer is provided to program the IC and trainers are also provided to students to check their program before designing their own project. After completing the lab experiments, students can be able to interface microcontroller with different display devices such as LCD, 7-segment, LED bar, LEDs, etc. Also controlling devices such as direction and speed control of DC motors and stepper motor. Also connect controller with input devices such as keypad, push buttons and DIP switches. While connecting the microcontroller with temperature sensing devices through ADC, which is very important. Microcontroller can also be connected with GSM module, Bluetooth module and distance measurement sensors, which played a vital role in FIPs of the students. In other means, this lab helps the students in their final year projects as well. It was a challenge to provide students online assistance during this COVID-19 pandemic. But Alhamdulillah, we are successfully providing online assistance to our students. We record our demonstration videos of all practicals so that students can watch and learn the lecture anytime. We conduct our labs through online communication software like Microsoft Teams, which helps students in attending online lab. Students are providing with all necessary softwares like Key Microvision for assembly language programming and Proteus for simulating their circuits. The student can interact with us for their queries through social networks. The students have full access on Bahria University Learning Management System, which helps them in downloading lectures, videos, assignments, etc. Hopefully you will join BU family in fall 2020. Let's discover knowledge together.